Hello, guys. Welcome back to Teach English Now. We are going to study together this year a module that treats biology process. Today we will delve into the fascinating world of biology and explore various processes that occur in the living organisms. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Freh. Your biology teacher for this year. I have a passion for biology, and I'm excited to share with you all this information concerning the biology system. Our first lesson will focus on cells, the basic unit of life. We will explore their structure, their function, and understand how they combine to form tissues and organs. We will use a variety of teaching methods to make class interesting and interactive. So, we will use PowerPoint presentation, educational videos, and 3D models to better understand the structure and functioning of cells. We will also conduct in-class experiments to see for ourselves how cells behave in different environments. So we will work in small groups to allow for better collaboration and more effective learning. Finally, I think to give you homework to help you practice and reinforce the concepts we will have learned in class. Homework may include additional readings, comprehension questions, and practical project. I'm looking forward to working with you this year and discovering this wonderful worlds of biology together. So let's get started. In our program, we will study 10 units. In Unit 1, we are going to see introduction to cells. We started by learning the basic concepts of cells, including their structure, functions, and properties. We will also try to understand how cells are classified and the different types of cells that exist. In the Unit 2, we are going to study the cell membrane and organelles, study the cell membrane and its functions, as well as the different organelles within a cell and their roles. In Unit 3, we are going to study cell division. We are going to learn about the different types of cell division, including mitosis and meiosis, and understand how cells replicate and divide. In Unit 4, we are going to study cell communication. We studied this chapter to explore how cells communicate with each other through chemical signals, and how this process is essential for cell functioning. In Unit 5, we are going to study energy and metabolism to understand how cells generate and utilize energy, included the various metabolic pathways that occur within cells. In Unit 7 to 6, we are going to study genetics and DNA. In this chapter, we studied the role of DNA and genetics in cell biology, including gene expression, transcription, and translation. In Unit 7, we are going to abord cell signaling to explore how cells respond to external stimuli and how this affects cell functions, including signaling pathways, receptors, and second messengers. In Unit 8, we are going to study cell differentiation. In this chapter, we understand how cells differentiate into different cell types during development and how this process is regulated. In Unit 8, we study cell cycle and cancer. In this chapter, we are going to see the cells and how it's regulated, as well as the role of abnormal cells division in cancer. And finally, in Unit 10, we are going to study the techniques in biology. In this chapter, we learn about various experiment techniques used in cell biology research, including microscopy, cell culture, and molecular biology techniques. By following these plans, you should have a good understanding and of fundamental principles of cell biology. Thank you.